name is Sir Spooks, and today we'll take a look at 5 scary ghost videos from Japan. So, let's begin. The poster of this video posted their friend's video of her and her boyfriend at her family home. The girl says when she was 6, she saw a ghost there. They begin to talk about a mirror in the room. She continues to say a hand came out and tripped her. The boyfriend asks if it was anything like the movie Poltergeist, and she says no, it was just the mirror. The guy asks if the sliding door was open, and the girl says, "What are you talking about? No, it wasn't." He turns around and shows the sliding door on the camera, which is then open, and he points out that it's open, and she says, "You're right." Soon after, a ghost shows itself, which terrifies them.
いやいや、6歳だよ。いやいやいや。そんなことないよ。へぇー。このさ、窓とかさ、ポルターガイストみたいなさ、ガラガラってさ、なったりしないの？それはないけどさ。そんなのはないんだ。鏡だけ？鏡だけ。嫌なんだよね、この鏡。本当に？そっか。どうしたの？今。靴も開いてなかった。靴？いや別に開いてないけど。あら。同じだね。でも開いてたような気がしたんだけど。そうだって今閉まってるじゃない？開いてないけど。開いてたような気がしたんだけど。昔ここにさ、おばあちゃんの写真飾ってあったんだよね。これ見てたんだよね。なくなっちゃったけどさ。もともとおばあちゃんの部屋だったんだけど。おばあちゃんの写真なくなっちゃったじゃない。開いてる。何？開いてる。開いてるけど、今開けたんじゃない？今開けてる。
Maybe this ghost somehow came out of the mirror since the girl keeps talking about the mirror. Maybe in her early experience, the ghost hand came out of the mirror and grabbed her foot. This could be the same ghost making an appearance, this time as a full-bodied apparition. A guy's walking a girl home. They're almost at her house, and they're getting ready to say bye. The man falls over and the girl asks if he's okay, and the guy says, "I'm fine. I felt like I ran into something." The girl says, "What are you talking about? There's nothing here to run into." A creepy lady is then revealed to be standing beside the couple.
楽しかった。楽しかった。本当に？疲れた。休めよ、ちゃんと。ちゃんと。ちょっと大丈夫？今ないね。いや。どうしたの？今なんかぶつかったので。何に？なんもないよ。今マジなんか硬いのに。
What her purpose is or what she's doing there is unknown, but it was most likely her that the guy ran into. Let's take another look at this supposed ghost. This video apparently shows the last known footage of a missing person. The video was found on a man's phone, and it was found by a relative of the man. In the video, he points the camera toward himself, closes his eyes, and turns all the way around, perhaps in hopes of capturing something in the room on camera. Now you may have noticed something strange appearing behind him. Let's take another look. What did this ghost do to him? Did it somehow make him disappear? It's entirely up to the viewer to figure out. A girl in the middle of a voice lesson with her teacher suddenly gets interrupted by a weird scream. They ask each other if they heard it, and they go out to find out what happened. Suddenly, the camera falls, and a scary face appears to be watching us. I have no idea what's going on in this video. Firstly, the scream sounds like it's coming from another room, yet the ghostly face we see near the end appears in the now empty room in which the voice lesson was being taught. There's probably an idea behind this, but I have no clue what it is. Let me know what you guys think about this one. These boys were playing a game where the first person to get scared and leave would receive some sort of punishment. The person recording the video is scared and has goosebumps. They're asking if he can see anything, and he says, "No, let's just go home. Haven't you learned your lesson?" They begin taking pictures and they ask if anything is showing up in the pictures, to which the cameraman replies, "No." They dare him to go in just once and sort of push him in. Once the cameraman is in there, their voices go quiet and a noise can be heard.
はい、来ましたー。はい、来ましたー。会場の席はここですか？やばいやばいやばいやばいやばいやばい。
いやマジやめ。
ちゃんと映して。
やめよマジ。
鳥肌半端じゃないじゃないですか。はい、鳥肌。はい、ここ何見える？ここは何が見える？これなんすか？はい、とりあえずお前さカメラマンだからさ。ちょっとマジでマジで。マジで。一回ぐらいいいじゃん。一回だけ。じゃあ俺のお願い一回だけな。はい、お前もお願いしろ。はい、一回だけ。もういいじゃん。お願いしますよ。はいや。女の子いたらなったっすよ。お前は何ねこんな。おい。We are told by a narrator that the sound caught on the camera was also caught on someone else's recording. They wonder if the grudge of the woman possessed the boy.